girls, is the last class before Christmas break.
I can't wait to see Santa Claus. Me too.
They still believe in Santa.
Yeah.
I do too.
The hour has been a man in a red suit sighted flying over East Flatbush.
Man in a red suit over East Flatbush? Don't tell me. Santa Claus? About to be good this year? For the most part.
You know what? You heard that?
Yes.
You guys heard that, right?
Yes.
Okay, everybody, you heard that noise, right?
Yes.
Well, guess what? I'm not gonna let anybody break into my school and take our stuff. Not on my watch. Not on my watch. Seriously, give me my watch.
Sorry.
I'll be back.
Oh, here we go again. I think we should follow him. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Move out. What is he doing?
Okay. I think I got him cornered.
Yeah, we got it.
How'd you get here?
We followed you. It's not even that hard.
How did you follow me? I have moves like a ninja.
How did you follow me? I have moves like a ninja. I have moves like a ninja. Like a ninja. Like a ninja. Like a ninja.
We're filming.
You're opposite of a ninja. You're easy to follow.
Okay, it doesn't matter. You're here now. It's time to make our move. Follow me. I'm gonna get up this case. I'm trying to get up. Wait! Where is he going? Let's follow him!
See, I told you, girl. It's the best. It's the best Christmas ever. Mr. V, what do you want for Christmas?
Hey, I don't need anything for Christmas. I have everything I need right here. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everybody.